Some say this recipe for pecan pie is the best pecan pie they have ever had, and we couldn't agree anymore. It has the perfect sweetness to it, and the texture from the pecans make it such a desirable dessert. Enough talk, let's make the best ever pecan pie today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To make our pecan pie, we need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We're using our foolproof pie crust recipe, and we're going to use a 9-inch pie dish. If you want to use a store-bought pre-made pie crust, that absolutely works and will make this an even easier recipe. Pop that into the fridge while we make the inside the ooey gooey goodness. The prep for the pie center is very minimal, just a little rough chopping of 1.5 cups of pecans. I prefer pecan pieces for the filling because it gives a better texture to each piece of pie versus leaving them whole. I do like to leave a few whole ones for the top of the pie as a decorative placement. Next, in a bowl, beat 4 large eggs. And that's all the work that you need to do. Now we're gonna head over to the stove. And in a saucepan over medium-high heat, add in 1/2 cup of salted butter. Once the butter's fully melted, add in 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you've used a non-salted butter, make sure you add in 1/4 teaspoon more. Salt is a very important part of any recipe. It helps to enhance the other ingredients. Stir and cook this until everything is fully melted and there's no granulation visible. Then you're going to remove that from the heat. Whisk in the 4 beaten eggs and make sure to pour them in slowly and whisk quickly so you don't get scrambled egg bits in the pie. Then add in the 1.5 cups of chopped pecans, making a huge mess here, and stir to combine. Go ahead and grab that refrigerated pie crust and pour the contents into that shell. And if you want to place a few pecans on top, go for it. Then bake this in your preheated oven for 55 minutes, or until a knife or toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool, and then I like to serve it up with a scoop of ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. But that's all it takes to make the best ever pecan pie, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.